Well, we're back from our mackerel fishing trip over at Swanee. And what I'm going to do now is show you how we clean these mackerel. What we do, we just fillet them. And then I'm going to cut the bloodline out after that. And we use these racks in our crab traps for our blue crabs. And these make good crab bait because they're oily fish, mackerel, and they work out real well to catch crabs. Now I'm going to cut the belly out. And the belly is what we use to tip our bucktail jigs. We put that for bait. I'll cut up in pieces in a minute. And the next, we take the bloodline out. And when you do the bloodline, you cut all the way down to the skin, not through the skin, right through the skin. You can see it while you're cutting. And go on the other side. It gets most of the bloodline out and the bones that go down the middle. And you just reach up and grab a hold of it. Like that, there's the bloodline. And just peel it out. It peels right out, see? Here's the whole there. And we keep that for bait too, for crabs. We put it all in one pack. And the same with the other one. Cut the belly out. Take the bloodline. Like I said, the skin's tougher than what you think on the mackerel. It's thin, but it's tougher than what you think. And it'll peel right off. It's just a little bit left. No big deal. Then to make the baits, I flip this over and cut some of the meat out so they're not too thick. And cut some wedges out of it. Like that, it's a good bait. Trim it up. They're going to chew it all up anyway, so you don't have to be that fussy with it. But this works out really good. You can also tip it with shrimp. You know, it works real well because there's a lot of shrimp out in the Gulf. So that works, but this is free. So this is the baits we use. And like I say, you just tip the jig with it, hook it in twice, a little flap in there, and it scents there. And that's what we call our mackerel. I think we caught 25 of them in that last video. So that's how we clean them up. And we'll see you on the next video.